With our Sustainable Development Program, Sharing Beauty with All, we want to create sustainable, responsible, and generous growth. In 2016, we made major progress throughout our value chain in terms of sustainable innovation, production and consumption, and to support social inclusion and access to employment. Our Sharing Beauty with All program involves researchers working to improve the environmental profile of our formulas. To achieve this, we are improving their biodegradability, we are sourcing plant-based raw materials via sustainable suppliers while respecting biodiversity, and we are optimizing the packaging of our products. Thanks to these efforts, 82% of new or renovated products in 2016 have an improved environmental or social profile. Innovating also means producing sustainably. We are proud to have not only achieved but exceeded our goal to reduce the greenhouse gas emissions in our plants and distribution centers 4 years ahead of schedule. Our production sites have reduced their water consumption by 48%, and they're generating 35% less waste on average. We also wish to empower our consumers to make sustainable choices, and we are evaluating the footprint of our products and brands. We have also made strong commitments to foster social inclusion and access to employment. Naturally, we involve our suppliers in our approach as we believe it is important to act together throughout our value chain. And, of course, our employees are a top priority for us. In 2016, we are one of only 2 companies in the world among nearly 3,000 to have received 3 A's from CDP. With 4 years still to go until our 2020 deadline, we are doing everything we can to reach our targets, to create sustainable beauty together, to make sustainable development beautiful.